Hello, good evening, dear friends. I am Zafar, and my video today is sex will be removed from Dutch ID cards. Identity cards in the Netherlands will no longer state whether the holder is male or female from 2024 or 2025. With this decision, the government wants to meet people who, for example, who do not feel entirely either they are male or female, and the sex indication will not be removed until about 4 years from now, as the population of identity cards would be reviewed then anyway, making the costs and consequences of the change limited, according to Dutch Minister for Emancipation Ingrid van Engelshoven. However, the law and the instructions for the police still have to be amended. Interest group COC Netherlands, lesbian, gay, men, bisexual, transgender, and intersexual people, NNID, sex diversity, and TNN, transgender people, have been arguing for this for some time. They are happy with the plan and call it great news for people who have problems with with that indication of sex on their identity documents day in day out, reports Het Laatste News. According to the organizations, the removal offers a solution to people who keep getting unnecessary and indiscreet questions at counters, on the train, or at the border. For the time being, international passport will retain a sex indication. The cabinet wants to wait and see if other countries want to get rid of gender registration, reports NOS. Germany, for example, has had an identity card without the designation man or woman or for some time now, and an increasing number of countries are offering the same possibility. Argentina, Australia, Canada, India, and Nepal have introduced the gender X in their passport or identity cards instead of the usual male or female. In the Netherlands, too, at least 3 people have enforced an X in their passports through the courts. The situation in Belgium is still a little complicated. In 2019, the Constitutional Court ruled that Belgium who feel neither male or female must be given the opportunity to have the sex on their identity card and birth certificate changed to X. However, the federal parliament has not yet worked out a regulation for people to actually do so. Thank you very much, dear friends. Bye.